I'm about to call the Beverly Hills PD. Here, you're going to see I was very specific. I did a request for public records, and I requested records from these various things. I wanted footage at that time and day from these officers' body cams, from these surveillance footage. That's what I wanted. They didn't give it to me. And here, we're going to hit call, and we're going to see if we can get a hold of Sylvia. Let's see what happens.
Sylvia Gelfman is not available. Record your message after the tone. When you've finished, you can hang up or press 1 for more options.
Sylvia, this is Senate Devermont. I received your email, the letter attached. If I could speak with you, that would be best. I don't know when you're typically in the office. I don't know if I can physically see you. If you could email me sometimes today, sometimes tomorrow, and on Friday that I could either call you or see you in office, please email me, sdevermont. You have my email. My name is Senate Devermont, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, Sylvia Gelfman. So that's what we did. We could try again. Let's see. Or you know what I'll do? I'll call. Let me see one thing here. One thing I can do is call. I got an idea here. Here, we'll do this. We'll call this number. Okay. We're not giving up yet.
Hello, please.
How you doing?
Good, how can I help you?
I'm good. Is Sylvia Gelfman in the office today?
One moment. Beverly Hills Police Records.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
This is Cesar Chung of Beverly Hills Police. How can I help you?
Cesar Chung. Hi, I was trying to reach Sylvia Gelfman.
Okay, she's currently out of the office today, but if you want, I can transfer you over to her voice.
No, I've already left her voicemail. When is she in the office? Let's start with that.
I'm not sure. I just know that she's not in today.
Okay, who could I speak with to find out when Sylvia Gelfman is in the office?
When she's in the office?
Yeah, I would like to know when she's in the office, when I could connect with her, when I could call, when I could see her in person.
Specifically, you could always try calling back.
All right, I'll talk to a watch commander.
About Miss Gelfman, or because he doesn't have her schedule, so.
Does Mrs. Gelfman have a superior?
She does, but that person's unavailable.
Who's her superior?
It would be probably somebody of a higher rank, but.
Hold on. So you're an officer?
Community service officer.
Right, Chung, Chung. I've spoken with you before.
Okay.
And who's her superior? Who's her superior? What's the name?
I wouldn't know specifically what the name is, but it's
that would maybe
somebody of a higher rank.
All right. How about this? Just transfer me to a watch commander like I originally asked.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Beverly Hills Police Watch Commander Sergeant Adams, how can I help you?
Hi, Sergeant Adams. I tried to do a public records request.
Okay.
I got a response that essentially I won't be able to, that BHPD is not required to disclose any of these records.
Okay.
At the bottom, the name is Sylvia Gelfman.
Okay.
And it says, if you have questions, please feel free to contact me. I've left her a message. I've also called the record department. They said she's not in the office today. I asked if there's any time tomorrow, Friday, the weekend, Monday, anytime we would know she's available. I could come in, I could speak with her, I could call. And I'm trying to find that information as her name is at the bottom of this letter.
So she is our records manager and supervisor. I don't supervise her. She could be on a vacation day. I don't know if she's going to be gone for one day or multiple days. The best course of action would be to either leave her a voicemail at the phone number or send her an email, and she'll get back to you when she can.
I did that, but what I would say is who at that department, and I understand that you don't know if she's gone for 1 day or 10 days, who at that department would know when Mrs. Gelfman would be back? I'm certain someone there knows someone's schedule regarding Sylvia Gelfman.
Probably her boss, her captain that oversees her, but as a general rule, we don't disclose when people are off or when they're here. I don't, if an officer was on vacation, I wouldn't tell you if they were on vacation or not. That's not generally something we do.
Got it. But this is something where the public's asking for specific records. I've then received a response that says contact me. And you can understand that when I call the phone number, the person who answers says they don't know when this person is available today. And they're not in the office today. And they don't know when they'll be back in. That is no form of communication. And that is no ability to have contact with the person who says contact me at the end of the letter.
So I just think you have to be patient. I mean, we can't satisfy every need at every minute and every day. People are allowed to take time off. Some things get delayed a little bit. Stuff happens.
But
so
transparency,
have to be patient.
Right? Transparency would be key. Saying she will be in the office next week, right? But not, I don't know. That's not a response.
Sure it is, because I don't know, and generally we don't disclose when people take time off or not.
So who will be in the records department that can answer questions? Who will be in the who's in the records department that can answer questions other than some kind of, seems like some telephone representative?
So his name is
Chung.
CSO Chung,
yes.
And he's working today, and he doesn't know when she's going to be back either. So I don't know what to tell you.
So nobody there knows when Sylvia Gelfman will be back in the office. Is that correct?
That's my understanding. I don't know.
Okay, and you are Sergeant Adams?
Yes.
The current watch commander?
Yes.
Okay, got it. And the record manager, custodian of records, it's no idea when she will be back in. It could be 1 day or 10 days, according to you.
She is the senior manager. She is the top of the line records manager and supervisor. She is the boss of the boss.
Does she have a superior?
Captain Albanese, I believe.
Can I speak? Can I be transferred to him?
Sure. I don't believe so. I don't know if she's in the office either, but I'll send you down there.
What do you know? Got it.
You've reached Captain Albanese with the Beverly Hills Police Department. I'm currently away on vacation. I'll be returning to the office on Tuesday, May 11th.
Oh my
Please
God.
leave a message and I'll call you upon my return. If you need immediate assistance, please contact Lieutenant Moreno at 310-288-2696. Thank you.
So we're going to call this number now. So it's 1310. Boom. Yeah, I got the number. We're calling it now.
You have reached Renato Moreno, Lieutenant with the Beverly Hills Police Department Administrative Services Division. I am sorry I missed your call, but please leave me a message and I will
Record your